Hey guys, so I just wanted to go over this trade. Probably, well, it's not probably, it is the best trade I've had all year. So I wanted to give you a bit of a breakdown, so if something like this happens for you guys, you can also hop onto it. Now this is the 1 minute chart, but it's quite good in what we have here. Now what we did is come over and take some highs, right? We came over, took some highs, and then straight after, we saw some rejection candlesticks, which are, oh, wrong one, here and here. So this one and this one. And then a large move to the downside. After that, we saw some triple tops, and then we saw this move coming down. Now, as it started to come down, I could see it was a very strong move, so I hopped in. Now, what I did from here was put my highs, well, my stop loss, I should say, right where these highs were taken out, a little bit above these old triple highs here, and I went on to the 5 minute charts. Now, this is something that I am still currently in, and I can add the screenshot to the end or screen recording to show you that I'm still in it. But right now, we are breaking, for even further, 1 to 11. Which is definitely there. My all-time record is 1 to 13. I made this channel, and then I could see that as long as we were respecting this channel, it was going to be fine. Now, I did actually move it around from time to time because it looked something a bit more like this, and we could see it go through. However, I just extended it to actually fit what was going on here. So the key factors that I want you to take away from this are taking out liquidity, as we can see here, the highs, forming of a triple top, and then strength in the opposite direction. All of these things helped me hop in. The things that let me stay in this whole time is drawing out an appropriate channel and using FVGs or fair value gaps, which are all the way over here. If I go on to the 15 minute, as we can see over here, used fair value gaps to determine where I needed to go. And with these fair value gaps, if I extend it all the way over here, we can see that I am actually going to be staying in this trade for just a little bit longer, seeing if we can hop in. Now, I know that hasn't given you too much information on how to hop into this trade, but to actually break it down, we definitely need to go into some one-on-one lessons there. But hopefully it's going to give you some idea or start you on the right track to building your own, strategy. And maybe you can take things from here and implement it in your own strategies while you're there by yourself. Anyway, guys, that is it from me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.